Good day, Philippines. My fellow Filipinos, let me stand for the statement with respect to the arbitration proceedings initiated by the Philippines with regard to the South China Sea, or also known as West Philippine Sea. On the 12th of July year 2016, Filipinos worldwide celebrated the ruling issued by the Hague-based Permanent Court of Arbitration with regard to the case filed by the Philippine government against China's unilateral imposition of a 9-line claim in the South China Sea. Our country experienced a lot in trying its best in claiming the said territory. The court favored the petition of the Philippines by debunking China's assertion of ownership based on its historic rights over the South China Sea. This particular territory has a lot of rich resources resulting China, Philippines, Brunei, Malaysia, Vietnam, and Taiwan to attempt to have rights with this area. But luckily, we won it now. Filipino netizens celebrated the outcome over different social networking sites, which introduces the hashtag Chexit on Twitter for the legal campaign to force China to exit the South China Sea. The China-Philippines territorial conflict started in 1947. I feel positive about this outcome for it has many potential onto our economy and the improvement of our country. Also to the new government administration. Thank you. Have a good day.